How do you find an excellent agent near you? Hey, I'm looking for an agent. I'm looking for an agent like you, the Kerin Group. How do I find it? Okay, well, first and foremost, stop going on Facebook and asking people in the neighborhood page. That's the worst thing you're going to do because you're going to get flooded with comments. And I can tell you this, I see them all the time. Like, oh, you should hire this person, hire my friend, hire my neighbor, oh, my daughter. Everybody's a realtor. Everybody. And I can tell you right now in those comments, because I did it one day, I was like, I'm going to look up all these people. It took me forever. One person never sold anything. One person sold one house in a year. And there's a bunch of people that only sold two. And then you're sitting there like, oh, all these people are giving me all this recommendations. Great. The biggest thing we have in this world is real estate and health are the most drastically two different things. Talk to people about health. Hey, I have a heart issue. Anyone got a good doctor? People are going to be like, listen, this is the doctor you need to use. And everyone will be like, yeah. When it comes to real estate, it doesn't matter. My son just got his license. It's so crazy. You need to do your due diligence. And here's what you do. One, go to Google. See if they have a Google presence. See if they have past sales. See about their reviews. Go to Zillow to look up their past sales. Do they have a social media presence? Especially if you're thinking about selling your house. If somebody doesn't even have their own social media presence, what are they going to do for your house? Like, I'm everywhere. If you type in my name, I'm all over the place. I'm always doing stuff, right? So if I'm taking the pride into marketing myself and branding myself, what do you think I'm going to do for your house, right? So if I'm doing it for me, I'm definitely doing it for you. But if these people that you're looking for, you can't even find them, well, there's your answer. So do they have past sales? Do they have experience? Do they have reviews? Do they have what you need to do? Because remember, during this whole nonsense of COVID, anyone could enter sold. Those days no longer gone. It ain't happening anymore, right? So you have to make sure that if you're selling, the person is good at marketing and marketing themselves. If you're looking to buy, have they worked with a lot of buyers? Do they know the education? Do they understand it? And do they work full time? Are they accessible? Call their phone a bunch of times. It's another video I'm going to do. But call their phone. See if they answer. See if they text you back. I hope you like my videos because I'm going to do lots more. Lots more.